In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensors on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located on the passenger side of the engine bay. Let's get into it. In the trunk on the right side, you're going to see a panel right here. We need to remove that. There's a wing nut at the top. Just twist that to the left. This panel comes right out. Now disconnect the negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen this up. Grab that. Take that off. Just tuck it out of the way. We're going to remove this cover. Use a 8mm socket. There's screws here. There should be a couple here. They're missing on this vehicle. And then on the other side. Take these out. Now grab the cover, pull it out. On the side there's covers. You just want to pop the retainers off. Those come right out. Some clips. Take this one off as well. Now there's some sensors on the side. This one you just pull the retainer up. And there's another retainer. If you follow the wire back, pull that up out of the way. And this one we're just going to twist it, pull that out. Then there's a retainer over here. Pull that retainer up, just like that. Pull that out of the way. And on the passenger side, there's a retainer holding a hose right here. Just pull that off out of the way. And using a 8mm socket, we're going to loosen this screw. Take that out. And do the same on the other side. Pull that out. We're going to remove this weather strip. Just grab that. And just pull that forward, pull that off. Now this cover right here has some retainers back here. Just take a pocket screwdriver. There's some tabs. You just want to push on the tabs in the middle. This one, the pieces are broken, but you're pushing on those tabs. Pull this out. And then there's some wires under here. Just want to grab that, pull those forward. There might be some clips holding that in. Use a straight blade screwdriver and just push down on the clips. Push that out of the way. Now grab this panel, pull it off, and out of the way. There's a cover right here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Just twist the cover to the left. And that comes right out. Now we're going to use a E18 socket. We're going to loosen this bolt. Just loosen that up. We don't have to take it out, just loosen it. Now use a E14 socket. Take this bolt out. Now grab the bar, slide that out. We're going to take this cover off. Just going to use a pocket screwdriver and just get underneath here. Just release the clips. There you go. Separate the cover, pull this wire out. We can bungee cord these out of the way. Take this one off as well. Just do the best you can, trying to get these out of the way. And we're going to take these screws out for the cover. Use a 5mm hex socket. And there should be two bolts back here. This one is missing on this one. And then this one has a 10mm socket that we're going to use. But it should be a 5mm hex that you use for this one as well. grab the cover and pull it straight up. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. We're going to be replacing the back O2 sensor that goes for cylinders 4, 5, and 6. The procedure for the front O2 sensor is going to be the same. Just pull the connector up, push down on the tab, pull that out. There's a retainer right there, pull that off. There's a retainer back here, pull that off. And on the back side of the valve cover, pull that out. Just to make it easier to access, we're going to remove the reservoir and just move it out of the way. Use a 10mm socket. Take these 2 screws out. Just pick that up. Yeah, there's a connector right underneath. Just push down on the tab. Then we can just push that to the side there. That's good. There's a shield above the O2 sensor that's just making it difficult to remove. I'm going to use an E8 socket. Loosen the bolt right here on the shield. Take that bolt out. And there's another one at the back. Take that one out as well. With that off, you can just move that out of the way a little bit. You don't have to take it out completely. Now we can access the O2 sensor. Now we'll take a O2 sensor socket. This is a 22mm or a 7/8. Get that on. Now loosen it up. There we go. Once you crack it free, most of the time you can do it by hand. Just pull the wire through. Make it easier. Pull that out. Now take the O2 sensor. Get that lined up. And get this started by hand. Alright, that's good. Now take the O2 sensor socket, get that over the O2 sensor. And we're going to torque this to 36 foot-pounds. Alright, that's good. Now we'll get this shield back in place. Get the bolt started. Hole right there. Alright, get that one started. Get the front one started. And now I'll tighten these down. Slide that down. And the back one. Alright, that's snug. Now I'll take the wire. I'll run that the same way it came out. Push it in the retainers. There's a retainer in the back. Push the other wire in the retainer. It's going to come up around. Take the connector, line that up. Lock that down. And push it into the bracket. Take the connector, line that up, the level sensor and the coolant reservoir, push that down. Take 2 bolts, get those started. Tighten this down. I'll take the engine cover, get that in place, and get the bolts started. There should be another one down there. Put those bolts in. Now tighten these down. Take the bungee cord off. And this bar, slide that in position. All right, that's good. I'll tighten that down. Snug that down. Now tighten this bolt down. Snug that down. Now this cover. Put the cables through. And you can make adjustments later if you need to. Take this cover, get this lined up. And lock that down. Now take this cover, slide this in place. Put the screw in. Snug that down. Do the same on the other side. And the side cover, get this lined up. Clip that down. And put this cover on. Get that lined up. Any of the sensors on the side. Get that clipped in place. And on the other side, clip those in place. And the weather strip, get that lined up. Push that on all the way across. And I take these wires, retainers, I'm going to clip these in place. This one's broken a little bit. And I take this cover, line this up, and twist it in place. And take this cover, line this up, get the bolt started. And 2 front bolts. And 2 on the sides. And tighten these all down. Grab the negative terminal. Attach that to the battery. We'll snug that down. Give it a wiggle. Make sure that's tight. It's good. Yeah, I'll take the cover. Get that lined up down below first. Just tip it in. And then twist the wing nut. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.